Hi guys, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Raina and I am a makeup artist. I'm not really out there yet and I hope to be, because you know, makeup is one of the things I love to do, and I hope you guys like the way I do makeup. Everybody's unique in their own way, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my YouTube videos that I'm gonna be uploading, and hopefully by tomorrow I'll probably post a video me doing my eyeshadow and how I do my whole face. But yeah, this is just a little small thing that I just wanted to post out there before I actually start posting my makeup videos. And yeah, I'm so nervous, and I hope you guys do like what I post, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on to get notified whenever I post. And yeah, sorry, but yeah, that is pretty much it. And again, my name is Raina, and I'll leave all my information and my Instagram down below, or it's probably I'll have it popped up here. But yeah, and yeah, thank you guys so much. Oh my god, it's only 10% off just popped up. Oh my god, sorry guys, my phone was on 10% and I had to put in the charger for my phone won't die. But yes, I hope you guys stay on my journey and help me grow. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, thanks for whoever's watching again. Please comment, like, and subscribe to keep up with my videos. And yeah, my name is Raina, and I have all my information down below again. But bye, I hope you guys have a nice day.